Damn.
The snacks.
Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a bunch of shit with leftovers. Michael and I have a lot of leftovers right now. We did like, how many videos?
4, 5.
4 or 5? We did a lot of videos. We have all this stuff left over. Shota and I, you guys know who Shota is. We got this awesome studio together. You wanna do a 360 real quick? It's called Damn the Snack Studio, so we're making snacks. We're gonna see what we have left over.
Yeah, you want to make snacks today? Let's
We're gonna make snacks. Got some leftover duck confit,
Leftover rice cakes.
some balsamic grapes. What else?
Did you get some random things in a box today? Chicken fat. What do you guys want us to make? What kind of snacks do you guys want to see?
We also got all this random shit.
Ooh,
Hidden Valley Ranch rice cakes.
nice. You can use the MSG packet from this too. All umami.
Parmesan.
Ooh,
Kewpie. Yes.
Kewpie. Gold, always gold. All right,
This is gonna be good.
this is gonna be good. I think I'm gonna toss this with mayo MSG packet. Gonna do that.
With that. And then this can be like some sort of garnish for pop. What
I
would we
think
mix
so. Maybe we do little blocks of this and then the duck
Yeah.
stuff in the middle.
Okay.
And see how it comes out. Bold. All right, we're gonna get some of the duck. We're gonna drop that in here. Then, thank you, Lisa, for the ideas. Nice little soup base packet. And toss that in. MSG. You get some Kewpie. Add that in there. Mmm, look at that. Authentic Mexican oregano.
All right.
All right. That in there. That's mix of both cultures. Kewpie and ramen base, which is my culture, and then your Mexican
And then
heritage.
the French duck confit.
Yes, yes. Pissing off all cultures all at the same time.
The Vietnamese pho bowl.
And then since it has Kewpie, maybe we can torch it at the very
Yes.
end. Get a little nice
We're gonna torch
brulee.
this fucker. You see this right here, dude? We're gonna torch this fucker with this.
Oh god.
Is this dangerous? Is that dangerous?
Yeah,
Michael doesn't like the torch because we aim it right at him. He gets very scared.
I know. I don't know why. You should get used to it soon. It'll go nice with
That's
the
gonna be
rice
good.
cakes though.
That's gonna be good. You guys think this sounds like Harry Potter? And rice cakes. How many pieces you want?
Maybe 3 nice pieces?
3?
Yeah.
Like cubes or you want
I think
logs?
cubes.
Cubes?
Yeah, nice cubes.
My cubes look like shit. Here, let me make it more cubical. That's
Nice.
good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Kind of a cube. We're getting there. We have a video on how to make these, by the way. You can check that out on the channel. This is a rice cake cube. Rice cube. Rice oil for our rice cakes, right? Ranch. Okay.
Not just any range. It's from the Hidden Valley.
Let's see, some ranch, and I think it still needs some soy powder as well.
Always.
Make it a little umami.
Make it a little Japanese for me. My mother would be proud. Please don't watch this, Mom. All right, nice.
All right, we got that. We've got a marmalade right here. Look at that. And then,
Mmm, that's f***ing nice. That's got heat.
yeah, sambal.
Nice. That's not enough.
Okay. Pyramid. Think pyramid.
You think pyramid?
Yes.
Pyramid?
Yeah, pyramid.
Pyramid?
Yes. It worked.
Wait.
This is so
I don't know-
tacky. I love it.
I don't know how we're supposed to put the duck on
Put
though.
the duck right here. It's gonna be so funny. Like, imagine if you get served this, you're like, what the f?
This, just like this. Wait. We gotta get some nice brightness in there. So we'll add some cilantro.
What else?
And then
And then,
hit it with some lemon zest. And then drizzle with marmalade.
oh, okay. And then?
And then we're done.
Yes.
We did it. Yes.
That looks so funny.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Japanese Mexican from Hidden Valley.
Let's get a thumbnail real quick. Pretend like it's really cool. Yeah. You do the honors, dude.
Yes, chef.
How would you eat this? That's what I always think about when I plate something up. It's like, how would I eat this? You know, like this right here, I probably wouldn't do this. Yeah, exactly. It's a good bite.
I mean, it's a little salty. There's a lot of flavor.
There's a lot of stuff in this.
I would eat it at a pub.
It's good.
I
Yeah.
would eat it at a pub. I mean, the duck's great. Rice cake's great. I mean, who doesn't like ranch?
Ranch is good.
Ranch is good.
I mean, these, yeah, it's good. It's duck confit, some heat, some sweetness, some umami. I mean, can't go wrong.
Damn. The snacks.
That was a good dish. I'd probably tone down the salt and do
Yeah.
a lot of other things, but
Yeah.